Hi there, little math explorers. Welcome back to the Puzzle Buddies School of Fun Math.
Hey friends, I'm 1Z, the littlest puzzle with the biggest heart.
And I'm Thricy. Today we're playing a really fun game called Greater, Less, or Equal.
Alright, Puzzle Buddies. Who's greater, 1Z or 4B?
Well, I may be little, but I'm speedy.
And I've got 4 puzzle pieces. That's more than 1, right?
Correct, 4 is greater than 1. Way to go, 4B.
I'm Toby, and I have 2 puzzle pieces.
I'm 5y and I've got, 5.
2 is less than 5. Good job, Toby, and great counting.
Wait, we both have 3 puzzle pieces? Yup, we're equal.
That's right, 3 is equal to 3. You're a perfect match. Okay, kids, time for a lightning round. You tell us, is the first number greater, less, or equal to the second? That's right, 4 is greater than 2. Correct again, 3 is less than 5. Yes, 2 is equal to 2.
Wow, that was fun.
You're all so smart.
Thanks for playing with Puzzle Buddies. See you next time for more fun math adventures.